I've been asked oh my God.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Buys You video, where we go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100, and see what we got for it. So today's haul is from a store that I am very familiar with, mostly because I bring a lot of donations there, but also because I used to go there a lot when I was staging homes. They had the greatest home stuff. And what's that store, you might ask? It's Goodwill. I've been asked by many of you to do a thrift store edition to the What $100 Buys You videos. And of course, I've obliged. Now, while shopping was a little bit more difficult because they have so much stuff, and I don't know about all the Goodwills everywhere, but mine color coordinates everything. It is in great order, but there just is so much to look through in order to find something. I will tell you, I washed everything in this bag with the exception of, I think, 2 items that still had tags on them. I know that when I donate to Goodwill, I make sure all of my clothing is washed and clean, but I don't know that everybody does that. So just to be safe, I gave them a good washing, and here's all their tags. I just don't know which one belongs to which piece, so I will tell you if I think I know. And I think the most that I paid for anything was $9.99. Yeah. So let's give it all a try, shall we? We shall. All right. I'm going to start with this dress. I thought it was really cute, and it was from a very familiar store that I see in the mall all the time, and I have shopped at before, White House Black Market. I think they have a lot of black and white items there. I think there was supposed to be detachable straps for this dress, but needless to say, it did not come with them, so that option is gone. All right, so let's give it a whirl. Strapless it is. It's got a tie in the back, which I think personally helps with the whole no bra thing, because it tightens it around the rib area, therefore keeping these bad boys up. It's cute. I like it a lot. And I believe this was one of the $10 items. So not much to show you, just other than I like the flowered pattern. It's size 6, by the way, which that's me. And curtsy. All right, next. Ooh, okay. So, long jean skirt. I've been wanting one. This is Levi's. See? Long jean skirt. It looks gigantic, but it's not. It says it's size 9M. So, if anything, I'm a size 9 and I am medium. So, I'm going to try this on with. Now, I tried to find outfits. So, out of the shirts, I will try on this tank top. It's Lolia, which I recognize as an Anthropologie brand. It's a pink sort of camisole type top, and I thought it was cute. I don't know. I won't know until I try it on. So I will try those 2 items on now. Okay, bye. Okay, so here it is. The top fits well. It's not very flattering because it goes straight down, but I don't care. I don't need to be flattered. Just kidding. Tell me something nice. And it's scalloped in the back, which is cute. Of course, I'd wear a bra that perhaps matched the straps. Ooh, it's hard to climb anything with this on, but here's the skirt. It's cute and it fits well. I don't care that it hangs low on the hips. It seems to be a good length, which, see? It looks like it used to be a pair of pants turned into a skirt. At least on the back it does. Or maybe here too. I don't know. All right. For some reason, I wanted this super nerdy, call it a secretary shirt, because I'd wear that to work. What am I going to try it on with? Let's just try it on with this skirt, because I'm not very organized here. So excuse me. I'm ready for my cubicle. That's not nice. Just pretend they're not there. I like it. It's, I don't know. It's soft, it's comfortable, it fits well. Look at this stuff. That's fun. Maybe with a black pencil skirt and a pair of pumps, and I can watch TV in it. Next, a haul would not be the same if I didn't get a pair of jeans, right? Yes, I got a jean skirt. Oh, it's on me. This brand of pants I really like, and you guys actually have asked me what this brand is when I did a butt implant panty video. Yeah, I did one of those. And I was wearing a pair that had red stitching. I found these, and I do think they're a little bit long, and I think these are boot cut, if not sort of flared, which my other pair is not. I don't know. I just found them. I liked them. They were $10, and I thought I'd give them a whirl. The whiskering is cute. Let's see what's happening here. I know that these are jeans that make my butt look like I have one. What size are they? They're 6 long, so they might be a little long on me. Anyway, the brand is Reebok, which Express used to sell. I don't know if they do anymore. So I'm gonna try these on with this shirt I found, which is Free People brand. It's a little short. Oh boy. Yeah, I'd wear a white tank top underneath this. Yeah, white tank top. I didn't go get one, but this is, see these pants? I have a butt when normally I do not. The length is kind of long, as you can see, and a little bit flared, but that's okay. I can either have them tailored or just wear heels with them. They are kind of very low-waisted, which is okay. I don't mind that. I know that high-waisted stuff is in, but I still like the low-waisted stuff. The shirt's cute. Email. I like it. Next. All right, so this little number is a velvet dress, which I have no idea when I would ever wear this. Perhaps when I go to the opera, which will be never. I don't know. It could be cute. And this did have tags on it, and I don't know where they went, but let's give it a whirl. Okay. I feel like a Sharpay. It's very ruched and wrinkly and soft, but all in all, it fits nicely. I think I would like it better if it were perhaps 2 or 3 inches longer, like a midi dress. This drapey stuff, see how cute that would be? Straight across like that. Very Audrey Hepburn. If Audrey Hepburn were a huge, blonde, tall dork. And I could get used to that. Now only if I'd have somewhere to go wearing it. Oh, might as well. Okay, you know, sort of like a, is it a Peacoat type of, I don't know, swing coat? It had tags on it from Loehmann's. Do you guys remember Loehmann's? I do. I loved it. I don't think they're in business anymore. So this is just, I just thought it was really cute. This is so you can bend your arm. I mean, even with a white t-shirt and a pair of jeans, I think that you could do something with this. No need to step on the sofa. Here it is in all its glory. I'm gonna take it off because it's hot. Okay. Now, this is the last one. It's a size large. Button-down black silk shirt that I thought would be cute. Tied in the front, maybe black tank top underneath with a pair of jeans. But I'm not going to try it on with jeans. I'm going to try it on with this pair of pants that I got. And I liked the color. Just a cute pair of clam diggers, capris, floods. So I'm going to try these two on together. And then we're done. All right, we're going to button a few of these since there's no tank top underneath, but the pants fit well. They're a little snug right now. Another thing that I liked about this shirt was that it split right here. So if you are to tie it, that remains back there. This is not my favorite, but I think I can just tuck that under. And I would probably roll these up. There. So you get the idea. That's what I was thinking. Where's my butt? Who took it? I guess this is okay hanging out. It does cover my tummy. So that's it, you guys, with all the clothes from Goodwill. All right, so that was a fun haul. I liked almost everything. I also do want to mention the fact that I was part of the recycling of clothing is actually a great feeling. These are items that people no longer needed and could have very well ended up in our landfill, which, by the way, is full of clothing that people have thrown away. I think that a lot of people don't bother to donate their clothing, or they don't think that it can be recycled. I do. Anyway, I think that I might be checking out the clothing at Goodwill in the future. But as for now, that's it for this video on what $100 buys you at Goodwill Thrift Store. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.